Let's see how to zoom in a video in Canva. Firstly, we're gonna need to have the video you want to zoom into. For this example, we're gonna go to Elements. Scroll down to Videos, select See All, and here we can see all the sample videos Canva has. Let's say I want to zoom into a view of some mountain ranges. I'm gonna search mountains and select this one, since I find this very appealing and very cool to the eyes. It also has a waterfall. Overall, I like how it looks. We'll just drag around the corner circles of the video to increase its size so it fits the design template. We can pause and play the video anytime you want by clicking the play or pause button in the middle of it. Now we're gonna need to double click on the video. We're gonna see that the video now has corner circles. Dragging these corner circles will allow us to zoom into the video. In this case, I want a more focused view on the waterfall, so let me do just that. As you can see, I can now only see the waterfall and the surrounding view is gone. That's it. That's how you zoom in a video in Canva. See you soon.